Hello, readers and writers, and welcome to Lesson 26 of your ELA School Away from School. I am Mr. Martz, and I will be your virtual teacher for today's daily lesson. Let's start by remembering our guiding questions. How do human actions affect the natural world? How do authors approach providing information and making an argument? How does reading for research help me to form an opinion and make an argument? As always, we will be trying to address these questions through today's work. For today's lesson, you will need the text, pro-con, putting GMO information on our food labels, your copy of Lesson 26, the Lesson 26 note catcher, and a pencil. Go ahead and pause the video here and make sure that you have everything. Let's review our learning target for today. I can use prefixes, suffixes, and roots as clues to help me determine the meaning of a word. Let's make sure that we keep this target in mind during today's lesson. First, you will be reading pro-con, putting GMO information on our food labels with a family member, caregiver, or friend. As you read along, listen to the read aloud from Lesson 25. Pause the video here while you read. Today, we will be looking at prefixes and suffixes. These letters are letters that attach to a root or base word to change its meaning. We can use prefixes and suffixes to help us understand new and unknown words. What do you do when you don't understand a word? Now you will have a discussion with your family member, caregiver, or friend. Try to answer the following questions. Prefixes are letters attached to the beginning of a root word. Some common prefixes include anti, over, and pre. Can you think of any words that start with these letters? What do you think that each of these prefixes means? Go ahead and pause the video here while you discuss. Continuing your discussion, suffixes are letters attached to the end of a root word. Some common suffixes include ik, and ist. Can you think of any words that end with these letters? What do you think that each of these suffixes means? Go ahead and pause the video here while you discuss. Now we will use the Lesson 26 note catcher to collect vocabulary words from the article that begin or end with the example prefixes and suffixes. Write your words in the vocab from text column. Write a short definition for each in the vocab meaning column. Pause the video here while you complete the note catcher. Nice job today. Think about how you did with our learning target. I can use prefixes, suffixes, and roots as clues to help me determine the meaning of a word. Share your work with someone and tell why you chose to write what you did. Also, remember to read a book today with a family member, caregiver, or friend for 20 minutes. For today's fluency practice, I want you to ask an adult to read the text to you and follow along. Then, practice reading the text at least 2 times on your own. All right, thanks for learning with me today. I will see you back here for Lesson 27.